Good morning children. Welcome back to our online classroom. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, which chapter we are learning now? Yes, the sixth chapter, addition up to 20. In this chapter, we have learned how to add two numbers. We learned addition by making a group of 10, adding 10s and 1s and addition of 3 numbers. I hope you have understood these methods. So today, we will do some exercise problems from your textbook. In order to learn maths, you have to do a lot of practice. Only you can do maths problems easily. Are you practicing maths problems? Yes, very good. We will do some exercise problems from the textbook, page number 75 and 76. Are you ready, children? Okay.
Let us solve some exercise problems. The first one, choose the correct answer. First problem, 7 red roses plus 4 pink roses is equal to dash roses. Here we have to find out the total number of roses. We have 7 red roses and 4 pink roses. How do you find out the total number of roses? Yes, we have to add the two numbers 7 and 4. What will be the answer when we add 7 and 4? Yes, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. That is, the total number of roses is 11 roses. The next question, 6 mangoes plus 12 mangoes is equal to dash mangoes. How will you find out the total number of mangoes? Yes, we have to add 6 and 12. So we can keep the number 12 in mind and take 6 in fingers. Then count after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That is 6 mangoes plus 12 mangoes is equal to 18 mangoes. Next question, 6 shirts plus 6 jackets is equal to dash clothes. Here we have to find out the total number of clothes. We have 6 shirts and 6 jackets. That is, we have to add 6 and 6. Tell me children, what will be the answer when we add 6 and 6? Yes, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. That is, 6 shirts plus 6 jackets is equal to 12 clothes. Next question, 7 red pencils plus 13 green pencils is equal to dash pencils. Here we have 7 red pencils and 13 green pencils. So we have to find out the total number of pencils. That is, we have to add 7 and 13. So we can keep the numbers 13 in our mind and take 7 in fingers. Then count after 13, we will get 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is 20 pencils. So 7 red pencils plus 13 green pencils is equal to 20 pencils. The next question, 9 apple trees plus 9 coconut trees is equal to dash trees. Here we have to find out the total number of trees. How will you find out the total number of trees? Yes, we will add the number of apple trees and coconut trees. Here we have 9 apple trees and 9 coconut trees. So 9 plus 9. What will be the answer? Yes, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18.
Our next question is, which of the following is equal to 17? Here you can see 3 options, 14 plus 3, 13 plus 3 and 12 plus 6. So we have to find out which is equal to 17. So we have to find out the answers of each one. So let us do first one, 14 plus 3. What will be the answer when we add 14 and 3? Yes, we will keep the number 14 in our mind, take 3 in fingers. Then after 14, 15, 16, 17. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Let us check the remaining 2 options, 13 plus 3. So we will keep the number 13 in our mind and take 3 in our fingers like this. Then after 13, 14, 15, 16. The next one, 12 plus 6. So keep 12 in your mind and take 6 in your hand. Then count after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now we get the numbers 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. So our answer, the option A, 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next question, which of the following is equal to 13? Here you can see three options. You have to find out which of the following is equal to 13. So how do you find out the answer? Yes, let us add the following numbers. Okay, the first one, 6 plus 6. What will be the answer when we add 6 and 6? Yes, it is 12. Then, next one, 6 plus 7. Tell me, children, what will be the answer? Yes, it is 13. The next one, 7 plus 7. What is the answer? Yes, 14. So, we get 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So, we can take option B as the answer. Let us solve two more problems. The first one, which of the following is equal to 11? See, three options there. Let us add these numbers. The first one, 7 plus 5. Keep the number 7 in mind. Take 5 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So, let us check the second one. 10 plus 1. Very easy. Tell me, children, what is 10 plus 1? Yes, 11. The last one, 10 plus 10. Do you know what is 10 plus 10? Yes, it is 20. So, our answer is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. That is option B. You can take the option B. Let us move to the next problem. Question, which of the following is equal to 19? The first one, 19 plus 0. What is 19 plus 0? 19. Let us check the remaining two options. 3 plus 7. What is 3 plus 7? Yes, it is 10. And 0 plus 9? Yes, 9. So, which is our answer? The first option, 19 plus 0 is equal to 19. So, you can take the option A. Is it clear to you, children? Our next problem, make dots to add. You can see this problem in your textbook, page number 76. Let us start. Okay. Our first one, 3 plus 7. We have to make dots. So, I have drawn 3 dots here and 7 dots here. Then how you add these numbers? Yes. Let us make a group of 10. Here we have 3 dots. We need 7 more dots to add these 3 dots because we have to make a group of 10. So, let us take the 7 dots into these 3 dots. Now we get 10 dots. Our next question, 10 plus 6. See, children, here no need to draw dots because 10 plus 6, this is very easy to add because one number is 10. That is 10 plus 6 equal to 16. Okay. The next one, 9 plus 5. So, let us make a group of 10 first. Here I have drawn 9 dots and 5 dots. So, first let us make a group of 10. So, we need one more dots from this second group. So, I am going to circle 10 dots by taking a dots from the 5 dots. Now, we have 10 dots and remaining 4 dots. That is 10 plus 4. What is 10 plus 4? Yes, 14. So, we can say that 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. Now, next question, 7 plus 7. So, you can see here 7 dots and in the second line also 7 dots. First, let us make a group of 10. So, we need 3 more dots by making a group of 10. So, let us take 3 dots from the second row. Now, we get a group of 10 dots and remaining 4 dots. So, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So we can say that 7 plus 7 is also equal to 14. So children, in this way you can add two numbers by making dots, or this is the addition by making a group of 10 first. We know it is very easy to add two numbers when one number is 10. So I hope you have understood today's class. Children, practice more problems, okay, and go through the YouTube video that I have attached. Then write down the notes and do the exercise problems in your textbook. In page number 75 and 76, you have to write down the answers and practice well and study well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.